Hello everyone, welcome to the Riva classes. Today we will discuss about human digestive system. As we all know, digestion is a process in which complex food material is broken down into simpler substances. The digestion of the food in human take place in the alimentary canal, which is about 9-meter long tube extending from the mouth to the anus. The different part of the alimentary canal are buccal cavity, food pipe, which is also known as esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine, and also anus. In the mouth, the injected food is broken down into a small fragment by the means of chewing. Go. In the mouth, saliva is secreted from the salivary gland, and these saliva perform various functions. During digestion, saliva lubricate and moisture the food molecule so that it can swallow easily. And also, saliva contains salivary amylase, which partially digests carbohydrate. Chewed food enters into the food pipe, which is also known as esophagus, and is then passed slowly into the bag-like structure, which is known as stomach. The stomach is a sac-like structure which secretes pepsin and HCl. Pepsin and HCl, where pepsin partially digested the protein and HCl kills all the bacteria present in the food and makes the food acidic. Then the food enter into the highly coil-like structure which is known as small intestine, and small intestine consists mainly three parts which are duodenum, jejunum and ileum. Small intestine receive secretion from liver and pancreas. The wall of the small intestine also secrete juice which help in the further digestion of the food. The inner surface of the small intestines has a small finger-like projection which is called villi. The villi have extensive network of blood vessels. The digested food is then passes into the blood vessels, and undigested food is passed into the large intestine. Large intestine is wider than the small intestine. Then excess of water and salt are absorbed here, and undigested waste is passed through the large intestine and anus throughout the body. देन ओवरऑल मीन्स दैट जो फूड होते हैं वो बकल कैविटी से इंटर करते हुए ऑसियोफेगस से पास होते हुए स्टमक तक पहुंचते हैं, जिसमें कि पेप्सिन पार्शली डाइजेशन करता है प्रोटीन का, और HCl किल्स द ऑल द बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट इन द फूड, और वो फूड को एसिडिक मीडियम बना देते हैं. देन दीज फूड्स इंटर इनटू द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन वेयर small intestine receive secretion of liver and pancreas, where liver secrete the bile juice and pancreas secrete the pancreatic juice. एंड ऑल्सो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन जो होते हैं वो भी कुछ फर्दर सिक्रिएट करते हैं जूस को, जो कि फूड को डाइजेशन में हेल्प कराते हैं. और जो इनर सरफेस होती है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन की, उसके पास फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन प्रेजेंट होता है जिसको कि हम विलाई कहते हैं, और उस विलाई में बहुत सारे नेटवर्क ऑफ ब्लड वेजल्स होते हैं जिसमें जितने भी डाइजेस्टेड फूड होते हैं वो जाके एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं, और जो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड होते हैं वो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन से होते हुए इनस के थ्रू बॉडी के बाहर चले जाते हैं. Hope this will help you a lot. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.